Kublai phi barosh ka thup khubor jangi ka dbmnTv. Kimat ki pakong sananta ka sngi kilong. Kela ka bos hasang bala mensau bun ki passenger. Keno elam bakla uba arden ya ka kong amperin. Bun kenta dhengkali ha apa Shillong. Ban maham ka em yaki jingma na ka 5G. Tementang ya phaj ki khubor ki bakhamria. Kawai ka bus night super kabadon ya registration number AR209099 kalami na Guwahati ban lech silchar kala khongpong hasurok ba kabahas nong Shangbala Ribhoi district. Karkum ka khubor bala yo halor kani ka jingja kani ka bus kala hakajan mit arphau tarik Lber. Hakani ka bus kidon lai pu nyawut ki passenger ki badang lech silchar. Maria poi hakawai ka khongdong hakasnong Shangbala ketika bos kala rengko nakawai ka lin syakawai pan nakadaw bakaladon ka jingthut ha ubrik jongka bun ki passenger kila mensaw hakatega jingja bala penkit no wood yaki sha civil hospital nongpo baladon ru ka tu ka ningut ki passenger ki bala mensaw jur bala pha no sha Guwahati na ka benta ka jing sumar ka bakhamnya ki pulir kidang toket ya kani ka jingja
ya sa angne ka ying ya sa ying ka kamtam dundukan ne ba jadi lah kerpat ya ka enhai bakan pura dah speaker untuk nama kan suki har kum yai kali jengteng karena fosil hang le kala jia kala long kum ne mereka kampe nila ong haki ber ke enhai dah tabakim bukan charge korte namar ngala ong ba bun sin ke hap kali kit jur ne ga pe yo jasa kali kit bre yo ki jia wan jia barong long mun ne jing mo kim met mit Suwan bat kali pasinjate. Isine yang ni pramen sim da kabun ada kasperika kena makan kamsuki kin kali naman ka jombe na siliang sa siliang. Hamla kena tong bai mat sausin sansin ko adan higa jinjia. Kali kikiat, kali kithup, kali kitso, kali rit. Dan ki kali rit hapar baslap hagam nengong pilih seselong ki phai kelas ki wan da Guwahati kan phai kelas po Guwahati. Namar balai ini dah kali bakal kening ya kali kecetane. Ki ya yu dah pun dah sertifikat pengi ngi sengan yang ibangi saing ne majan kamtam kunrit kunria dah kaja mesti ki kun ke la kalane kamtam ne dukan ja kaden ki yang kali bam jang ne demut kan wan dai dak benang te kan terade nang te kan sam siliang te kan ngade yakine kali bayang ne ni bam jai bam ye
Halor ka jingkeli balabu da UVPP MLA ka mauring keneng uba Livingstone Kharpran ya ka jingpen kiu kerdan ya ka mauring keneng PHC syaka CHC ya ka bala biangnut bantre kampura ka minister badai pet ke NPP MLA na East Shillong ka kong amprin lengdo kala pensyai bat batai bagi dang don ki jingduna ki ba ka sorkar kandang penbiang ya ki tiar kitar badi ki doktor ban ai jing sumar bapaka ya ki nongpang Namar ka jing bam hun ya ka jubab ka kong amperin uba Arden M Basayomot VPP ula kem ktien bar ula keno baka menteri ka kwat ka khya kong amperin lengdo kalaya lamba kala ya ka yeng dor bar ka jubab jongka namar ka ni ka CHC kampat biang pura kitiar kitar bar ki doktor ru kimpat donlot ha ka ni ka CHC kumba long menta ka kong amperin kala pensyai baka sorkar kan penbiang ki jinon kambaro ki CHC amtang ya ka maureng keneng CHC
Matter of perception, sir.
I
have said that the health center, CHC at Mauringkneng is functioning, which is what the question was. When asked about whether or not certain equipments were not there, or are they there, or are they functioning, I have said that some of the equipment need to be upgraded, and we are working on that. Number 3, the Mauringkneng CHC center, sir, is a non-FRU. Which means it is a first referral unit. So we have also said that we have other specialists who are there, not all specialists, because very recently there was a need to improve the numbers of specialists across the state of Meghalaya. An effort has been put and we are working on it. So question of misleading the House does not arise. Just for information, to the honourable member as to why we say that it is functioning. In between April 22 to February 2023, new ANC pregnant women registered in that CHC totals 536. 536 women registered themselves in that CHC, which shows that we are working. Yes, with some constraint because of some unavoidable circumstances, because we are upgrading the quality of the doctors posted in that CHC. Sir, we have also said that there are so many patients now that continuously register in that CHC. So it's a matter of perception. Yes, we may be falling short of certain services, but we are putting all efforts to ensure that that CHC becomes totally functional, sir.
Sir, I beg to disagree with the Honourable Minister that it's a matter of perception. I raise my supplementary question based on her reply in this August House. When we asked about the gynecologist, is there any gynecologist in that PAC? May I know the name? May I know the name of the pediatrician?
Sir, as is the case in several other health facilities across the state of Meghalaya, there is this need to ensure that all of the norms for CHC are adhered to. We have in the CHC 4 medical doctors, and like I said, 2 are out on training and will be back to their services at the earliest. So we've also said that the delivery room with an operational facility, which is the OT, is functional as a first referral unit.
Kadheng kali kabane bon kanta man kasni hasurak National Highway Saupho nadu jingking Sherpi hadu jingking ding pun apa Shillong kala bo ekalet kawan jagi pat ba nakithan pun ursla dauki Shilla sora mau senram mau kerwat mairang ba noston hakijing baharukom UMLA kamenlem ubaroni viling do ulawan raya kanika sosat jangki pat ba halumpung kaying dorbar thawan ke Jylla mentakasni ula kentui ke sorkar pan pensted yagi jingshna ba jing penhe ya kanika surok kloilan kat bala Menteri ki kam PWD ba Preston Tensong ula juba bat kular ban le state ya ka jingshna ban penhe ya kanika surok nadu jingking Sherpi hadu dauki nagabenta ka jingmentoy ya baro.
Next supplementary question. So though my supplementary is not related to this question, but so we're having huge problems, reaching a place where we want to go. So sir, may I know from the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, I think there was, a move to construct a western bypass. So if that is also taken simultaneously, sir, I think it's going to ease this traffic problem that we are facing, not only the people of Shillong, but people living in those areas where they have to use this road to reach places where they want to reach. May I know from the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, what is the status? Though it is not related to this question, sir, but since this road is being used by the entire part of that state, so may I know from the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, because as per his reply, it seems this work will take some time to restart, sir. So if this western bypass can be taken up on a priority basis, sir, that will ease the problem of people who use this road, who need not use this road if there was a western bypass. So may I know from the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, regarding the western bypass road?
Yes, sir. Though the principal question does not relate to the supplementary question, however, for the interest of the Honourable Member and also the members of this August House, sir, the status of western bypass right now is in the stage of land proceeding. We have reached to section 19 of the Land Acquisition Act, and I'm very sure if everything goes well, maybe within 2 or 3 months, we will be able to start. We'll be able to hand over the land to the concerned company so that they can start to work.
So I'd like to express my gratitude to the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, but then, of course, at the same time, request him, sir, to please take this on a priority basis, sir, because I think the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister himself uses this road. I think he must have been stuck on this road sometimes, though with all the escorts also. And imagine the common man, sir, who do not have escorts. So, sir, I would request the Deputy Chief Minister, sir, to please take this on a priority basis so that we can ensure that, we do not waste time, traveling, just wasting time on the road. Thank you, sir, for this.
Yes, point noted, sir.
Sir. So, I believe there must be a terms and conditions for a company in the tender, sir. So may I know what action is being taken if there is a condition in the terms of and condition while calling for a tender? I believe there must be a condition, sir, that a contractor or a company must complete this work within the stipulated time. But when this company left the work halfway, what action has been taken against this company, sir?
Sir, though the tendering process is not under the control of the state PWD, however, again, for the interest of the honourable member to know, the Ministry of Road Transport under the NHIDCL, they called the tender and then they did everything, and ultimately the work was allotted. But of course, there were few conditions before signing the final work order with the concerned company, and one of them is in case if they fail to complete or in case if they surrender, then their security deposit will be forfeited. That is one of the conditions. And the details, other details, I don't have right now with me. So for the other details, maybe I will collect again and accordingly I'll explain to this.
Ka Awakening India Movement AIM haka arphoi terik Lber kala let ai daga jing tho sho menteri rang ba ka Jylla u Contractor ki sangma bat ulan upagu chohan ban pentre kam ya ka 5G ha Meghalaya habaya keran sikilat pathai Khubor ha Shillong Press Club u President ka ba banshai marbanyang ulaya thu ba kat kum ka kai phot ba yo na ka Medical Biodiversity Authority of India ba ka jing pendon kam ya ka 5G kala ban wanra bon ki jing pang ki bakta ya ka met ki briu kum ka cancer jabieng cancer shadam ban bon ki we ki jat jing pang
ya kani ka letter kam chumla dei tang hapo ka Jylla Meghalaya namar nadu ba ka soka kala pentri kam nadu bulan Januari jung snem bomenta nilai I ba Nagaliang jong ka Manipur ka Nagaland Mizoram Tripura Assam Arunachal Pradesh kini ba fai kila pentri kam ponat is jung I 5G tendai an habang itip pa an habang yo ek report na po Delhi lembaga Indian Council of Medical Research ya kani ka 5G kidang don ha breng kani ka jing study ya kani ka electromagnetic radiation namar boleh ka electromagnetic radiation katkum ka letter ka bang yo ek report kadep kedau lupa hang ni lembaga kani ka National Biodiversity Authority kadep penpa bagi don sibun ba ki jingpang ki bakta ya met jing ki brio ka jingpang ka beningkong kalong ka brain cancer kaya kadi ke brain cancer ngatik ngangit babarok nak liang jungi ngitip bah kaya kita ke brain cancer namar ke jikta ya ke bor jabing ke jungi haki babun ki benta nangta ke baar ke ke breast cancer kani ke breast cancer ro kadi babarok hak ngitip he kadi ke breast cancer kadang ro kani ke childhood leukemia kadi ke childhood leukemia ro kadi klong den ki bompak la ban ya ro wat hadin san snem ro snem kartar kim la ban ya kadang ke jingpang ha ke jingmut jingperkhat jungki kim pala ro ban let school nangta kadon kani ka heart disease le kumbangi I ha kani ka por ka bamenta kadi ka balong kumbang no bayong kli laman ka por ni ki brew siap ki sukelan ki subon ki jingjia man le ki jaka ba bonsin ki omba kadi ka heart disease namar ka heart disease automatically ro kalong syaka stroke ti kadi kani ka ek berkhoi ya ka bangi tip sai lumba kani ka electromagnetic ban ngi kran hiru apa ka Jylla jong ban ngi pharo yani ki siti syaka sarkar Jylla lembaga chief minister ngila pha lembaga governor ngila pha ro syaka health minister jong ka Jylla Meghalaya ban pensange no ya ka jing pentrai kam ya ka 5G pok ka Jylla ka jongi namar kumbangi I ki jingpang ki babun bah ki dan ki biru tentang ki ong bangi pot aki skor letter ka bangi pha pok ka sarkar hangning ngila kedeu ru ya barokha ki jailing ba pher kumno ki jingpang ki trikam balai ki trikam ka ki jingjia ngi ki breo ba ka jingjia jong ka ni ka electromagnetic radiation kam chumna dei hero tang hakamet jungi kibrio anda habangi I mentai ki jingkong jiktep ka kata ki don ki so ki barang hapedeng uding ki puot na kimi ki ksan kimi ki knyang ki babam ya kitu ki so barang lung teng ki don ki ding ki bakelon no balai jubek tang kle ki kelon no anda ki ding ki la tlat no nama balai ka electromagnetic radiation lane kata ka radiation ki waves ba pher ki pentrai kam ta ki rung ki sam lamba ya ka met ka phat jungi ki breu ne wat ki jithun jing tep kum jo wat hadu ka met jong ki marat ni ki sim ro matang I ba kani ka electromagnetic radiation ka kata du kata dena ta ka daw nakliang jong ka weekend the movement nadu ba kala ya kum jo ha ka bidei kum bangi paulo do mencem snam bangi yakun ya kani ka covid khat kendai la ni kata ka klam ka bang kata ya ka met jungi kibrio ngem chim ong bang chu sange no ban chu pet kai ba ya ka jingpang ka jing sitom jungi kibrio kan nang ya kata om tang ka covid ka ban kata andai matang ila bagai 5G ka kata denya ta ka daw ni hab ban dawa na ka sarkar Jylla hi borok kawai kumju wana ulat jang ka Jylla ban pensange ya ka jing pentrai kam ya ka ni ka 5G hapok ka Jylla ka jungi om bagi company kin yo ya ka pisah kin lum ka pisah na ka ta jungi pa ba andai ni kentur i company ki beper kum ka Jio ke Airtel ka Reliance ne kiwi company ki ba pentai kam ya ka network link hapok ka Jylla jungi bakin sange no sisendan amban wan ra ya ka jingpang na ka ta jungi ki brio bat ka aka berkhoi ka long bangin yeng ban yada na ka banta ka jingkot jingkhya jungi ki brio bat bangi ki brio ngindang na bandang yan tre ye ta na ka sngi na marbale ka jingta jo ka ni ka electromagnetic radiation kumalong no hakini ki por ki bamanta ka jingjor bha ka de ka ni ka hypertension ka diabetes ka blood pressure ka stroke kini kilong ki aka bama bha do kata katcha bangilai ka chabangi pha ni osya bagi brio ki ongi king kli anda habi king kli ka kelon no anda kelon the theopat your blood pressure balik ka blood pressure ka tari kamanta ka jingkentiu jong ka blood pressure ka met jong ngi ki brio ka di lembakan ni ka radiation ka buan lembakan ni ki 5G kani ka jingput ki skor teng kalau buput kelot teng kindon te jingwet ki kali pa ki kali ro asno ku buput kelot kawan ke jing king ka kli kawan ke jing bayong ka kli te kata kalau ka ek berkhoi ka ba nginum la ban pediang dalile ro am ban ong ban dang pentri kam ya 5G pok ka Jylla ka jungi ba chu kadang kani ka katarak bong no ka jingpang ka blong ya kadi ka medical condition ya ka ba ka jing pet ka ki kmat ka jungi labang ipet ya ka teng i kum bakalong blur ngiso kum bakalong blur anda abang ipet te ta kadang kani ka katarak ro ka bong kata mata ya ka met ka phat jungi ki prio nang ta kadang ro kani ka impair sleep kani kata ka jing duna ka jing yo thia ka jungi kidon sipun ba ki jingpang ki ba nginum la ban ong ban chu snap ban chu menti klem da keren na marbale kalong ke aka ke basnosi aba kawan ban kata iki ba jong ke Jylla hi jungi borok kowe namar ngi keren hiru apa ka Jylla kani ka keren ru apa ka India hi borok kowe menta
Kakong Santa Mary Shilla MLA NPP na sutengah saipung kabala penrem ya uba Vincent H Pala haka election badang shudapshen kalakran haka sien ka baningkong banyatai halor ki jingkran pli jung ulat ya kador bar mang pisa haka arpho tarik Lber Kakong Santa Mary kalaya ro ya kajingkran jung ulat haka sngi pli ya kador bar mang pisa kalapan pauru ya kajing sngongu ya sorkar MDA 2 haka jingalang jung menteri rang ba ukon rat ke sangma ubala kentiu ya kalum shnong shaka CNRD Block Development Office ka jingshna ya surok Sonapur Borkhat kabalamang shispa arpho klur tengka Kakong Santa Mary kalakar padru ya sorkar MDA 2 ban pensange no ya jing khangti doyong namar kalabu ikipal ba kani ka Constituency ba ka district hibaro kawai haka jingduk jingkurdu ka bakraw kala jingmodru ya sorkar ba thamai ban penlong 4 lane ya surok National Highway 6 nadu mauring keneng hadu bakot ka East Janta Hills district
and the approval for the Sonapur Borkhat for more than 122 crores last year for construction of the road connecting the border villages of Huroi, Lejeri, Lahalen and Hingaria. This fulfill the 50 years long demand of the people of the border population. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm also to thank the government for the border hut in Huroi village, which is also under construction as I speak. This sanction clearly shows that the government is serious about the developmental needs of the people. Mr. Speaker, sir, I also take the opportunity to highlight and address some of the issues pertaining to my constituency and district, which I'm seeking the attention of the government during the present tenure. So with the road conditions, Mr. Speaker, sir, with increasing number of vehicles along almost on daily basis, and also the number of heavy motor vehicles passing through the NH6, there is an urgent need to upgrade the existing NH6 from Marangkanang to Malidor to a 4-lane national highway. Mr. Speaker, sir, there is a frequent traffic jam along the NH6 both in West and East Janta Hills district. So I also have another issues, Mr. Speaker, sir. Large number of people in East Janta Hills district depends on earning from the coal directly or indirectly. Ever since the Honorable NGT banned coal mining, Lives of the people have been severely affected in numerous ways, and many people were pushed to poverty because of this reason, because of unemployment. Trade and other activities have also been severely impacted, and the ban has been decreased, the purchasing power of the people. Mrs. Speaker, sir, I am glad that the government has been taking several initiatives to start legal coal mining, and I'm made to understand that there has been several applicants who have been applied for the mining lease under the MMDR Act. However, mining is yet to start till date. So I wish to request the government to kindly expedite the process of starting legal coal mining and to pursue the matter aggressively with concerned authorities and to ensure that the legal mining starts as soon as possible. I request the government utmost attention to this matter, sir. With these few submissions, sir.
Superintendent of Police Karibhoi District Ugiri Prasad ulayathu baki pulit jang Karibhoi District hinin kajamet arphau tere Lber hakapor prabaji AA minmet kilakem arngot kibriu basuba badon kti hakajing penyap dusmon ya we rangba nakasnong paha maulen arphau mer. Kini kibala syakem no kilong u Prince Abraham Seliang laipusan senam karta nakasnong paha maulen arphau mer baduba sushil kurba nyupu ar senam karta nakasnong umdap duki. Kipulit kila register case bat pengat kendone ki haka case number 26/302 IPC. Kajingkem kipulit ye kita ki arngut kadai halor kajing keno ba kila don kti ban penyap dusmon yo ba Ilyus Rendong hendriu post nam tam nakasnong paha maulen haka ba haka kendai terik mentau benai haka por ba umi na yeng ban ne lengkha hakliar umdap duki. Hendriu klamon pai shu shala yeng USP ulaya thoru ba kini ki arngot lai tino shaka yeng bishar ban tokit benya ban lab ye kijing shisha ki ba kham benya.
So on 9th of March 2023 around 5:20 p.m. Barnihat outpost received a telephonic information that there was an unidentified male body found at 20th mile Khubor district. So the police team rushed to the spot for further inquiry. On arrival of the spot, it was ascertained that the unknown dead body belonged to the late deceased Ilyus Rendong of 20th mile, and the body was identified by the family members. And after that, the police team started the investigation process. We also registered the FIR immediately next day, and we started conducting the inquiry. So during the course of inquiry, we ascertained that the person who was deceased went for his work on the early morning of 9th March 2023 and never returned back to his home. So after that, further technical investigations were conducted, and also some of the statements of the available witnesses were taken. So during the inquiry, it was ascertained that the deceased person, Shri Ilyus Rendong, had some kind of quarrel with two of the main suspects of this case. That is Shri Prince Abraham Seliang of 20th mile Khubor district, and also Shri Sushil Kurba of Umdap Duki falls under Khubor district. That the deceased person had some quarrel due to some personal enmity with the above two accused persons. So along with the available technical tower dams and tower locations and also the statements of the witnesses, the Khubor police yesterday, that is on 22 night around 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. we managed to arrest the two accused persons with regard to this particular case. And also we have registered the case under NOMPO PS 26/3/2023 under section 302 of IPC. So based on the arrest which we have made, we have forwarded the accused now to the court, and further investigation is in process. We also assure the people of Khubor that Khubor police is very stern of any criminal activities or crime, and we will be always doing the needful to ensure that peace and tranquility prevails in the district. Thank you. No, so far these two accused persons have been forwarded and arrested to the court, but they have not been convicted because investigation is still ongoing, and only after the completion of investigation we will file the charge sheet against the accused persons.
Uba Arden Embasayomot VPP ulawan ra ya ka jingyatai nia halor ka jing siir ki palba ki basyong hakisnong kaput Meghalaya Assam nakadaw baka sorkar Assam kadang amtriang ban kamtra ya ka thain mukro. Ulaong ba hadu menta uhimanta Biswa Sharma Menteri rang baka Assam ula penbena haying dorbar baka mukro kade ka benta jong ka Assam. Uba Arden ula dawa na ka sorkar MDA 2 ban keranda ka basyai la ka mukro kade ka benta jong ka Meghalaya ni Assam. Ula kenot na kabaong, imat ka sorkar Meghalaya ka siyang apthap na kajing ay ngobha na ka sorkar Assam. Menteri rang ba ukon ke sangma ula jubab da kabaong, bagi jing penbet kidang ya chaprang ya kiput kisam, bat ka sorkar Meghalaya kala penklan ya kilat pahara hakisnong kibaha kaput bat ka Assam.
Show that we are able to overall improve the overall confidence level that they have at the grassroots level with these steps that we're taking, sir.
Sir, according to the reply, A4, sir, the Honorable Chief Minister has mentioned that a standard of operating procedure has also been issued to the Superintendent of Police regarding measures to maintain peace and tranquility in areas of difference along the interstate border. So in this particular issue, sir, I would like to ask the Honorable Chief Minister, what is a kind of standard operating procedure in the event of the breach of security and safety to the people living in the border areas by the counterparts?
So the standard operating procedure that is mentioned in the reply is specific to ensure that we are able to maintain the peace. So therefore the reference is on maintenance of peace. And as I mentioned, we have realized that a large number of incidents take place because of, or the tension builds up because of the communication gap that is there. So this particular SOP that I'm referring to is meant to ensure that continuous communication takes place. The meetings between the SPs are regularly done, between the OCs are regularly done. So this is what this particular SOP that we're referring to. Obviously, sir, if the situation is complicated, where we have different situations that are built up, then as per law, all the actions are taken and necessary steps are taken as per law. So if there is a situation where certain firings take place, then the FIR is lodged. We take up the matter even at the political level. We take up the matter even at central level. So it all depends on the situation that is there. And as per law and as per the situation that is there, necessary steps are taken, sir.
Uwe usamla ubala tip kerteng kumu sakharia so thiang basyong basa bala hamau syabut hajan mit sing sajan ka ba ubedangwan bala bat thmulet chamau lai nonglum ka bade ka jaka basyong basa ka hmen jong u ula syadung daka tari hatham yau maulong hakibri ki ba ithu dor khmat karkum ka jing ethu ki ba hiyeng hasam jong te usamla kani ka jing syadung tari jong u ka de ka por hapdeng phra khandai baje men mit sing sajan khat phra tarik Lber. Hadirin kata ki paralog jong u ki lapan kitno ya u ya uniu samna sha jaka bala jong u mat hakapor lai baje men step hakasini uble la kitno ya u sha civil hospital namar bala jur ka jingmen sa wajing place nam ki doktor na civil hospital ki la pha no ya u sha negrims ki bahayeng jong niu samla ki la ujor ejahar sha ki pulet ka cantonment beat house halor ka ni ka jingmen sa jong uni u samla
nam ta ka ni ka jing dia jong u kala don pa ka daw arbanai man shua bat kini ki paralog jong u bat ki tu ki bayalek yawan bat o te bat kini ki dakhar ki basa ang tua themator ki basyong ha ki surok te ya kandu ha tugas ni te ma uru umpai berkhat bakile kan roy kaliang sholang kilia jrong ktilang hi ma uru te rei hadien pat kadau adai na ka bantah kita ki paralog jong u te ma yarap lang kanya ki la ka jeng yarap jong u pa de la sha pen man sao yo u da kata ka ba kani ka lok jong ta u lok jong ka u ba ya syo bat uni ba pen man sao yo u te ka de ka lok jong ta hi la ring yo u chakandong la dung da katari na katuka syadem jong u te kat ba ma u pan bana ithu isu ki breu balaya bun breu hang tu Te tang kumtahi namar ba kadau kalong tengah kebenta jong kita kalau jong ura kadai kita harhi te mentaro uong mau ngai thu lut kita ki perlok kita ki breu bat ya ta kalok jong u ka ba syadung haka katari kaladai hadu uklong senam te hang ni ha po sibil la ra yo u kim la su tang ban sumar ki pha bek no chani krim te hang ni hani krim ki ong lada kani ka senam teli ka badon hani uklong senam jong u ki mut ba lada kam huj kin puj namar ba lajur ke jeng mensau te rei don bok ba klem syak puj namar ba la su le da uni u jri bantan ya ketugas senam jong u nak krong te menta kala kham bahagi kendian te dan kam tang ban sumar bahaya so si jur keng so si hadu kata-kata namar ba karukom tingle keladai ba mut bandung yap sendon ya keladai kata-kata ri hadu uklong senam bu la mong kat tu mengila pej hako ka skyning hang ni tengi so si keng la dayap bu la dai ban yap hi suong ba ublei udang sumar ya te namta kan ni ngi kum gi bahayeng ni persya jur ya kini kiri bomman tela kumnu ka sorkar la da kam le ai ki pat ba jaj ban riu jongi ti hap ban le ai nam ta kini te ngaro ngasu kerpat namar kat kum kani ke jingja uni u khun jongi ti ngilong ni song si jur mo ba kum kani nang ni chakmat kam dai su kan ban ja ni don kam ban ya sim lem kum ki para jaj ban riu ki jongi namar ki dei ki briu ki khun ki jongi ki kandu kum kini ki kam bat ki wei ki jaj ban riu te ngi don kam ban don ka jingkit kli lem mo banang ni chakmat ta kam dei su ba kan ji ayan na
ki ka jing snow te kumpi ni kinos
te ngakan tu ya kan ni ka sarkar ba ka dei ban le nam ta kan ni te moton ba ki don kam ban simkia bat ka dei ru ba kin weng no ki sendon ken kat kani ke jingjia ka yeng ka sem ka jongi kini so si mo namar balai ki la sim kabu da ki wei pat ki jaj ban riu ya la ki jong ki briu ki jongi ma ki kim dei ki trai snong jong ki ngi dei ki trai snong ngin ka sarkar ka dan hok bakan le bakan le si sendon nanta la da kadang yai beteng kum kini te long ngiru ngim so tenat tengah kerpat ya ki ba ya ka sarkar ka badai ban le keloy ya kani namar ngiru ngi so si jur kum kani la jap ubri ru adai ban yap dei tang jing senai blei dang lak im ka sarkar kan hab ban le keloy menta ngim ngi kem dei kam dan hok su bakan dang le jai ya kani ka kam nang mi kisngi kan nang wan ki wei kisngi ni yo snyo ki jing banai ki bas snyo ki ba chat kai ya ka jaj ban riu ka jongi te kum no ngin sha ba ngin le ben ya kini ki bri
Kawai na ki kam kring jing it bat jing shania ki perton yada Khubor Border Security Force BSF na ki pat ba basyong basa hakisnong Khubor bat kari Bangladesh kalong ban ai dawai bat ban sumar ki ba pang bajia hasnong hathau Kaperton South Holai Battalion jaga BSF kala ai dawai bat sumar nong pang hasnong Ronggara South Garo Hills District kabadon hakithan Khubor bat ka Bangladesh Kinonya lam kani ka ketem BSF kila ai komputer ki filter umdi ki tinsop yeng ki tiara lekai shaki school bat ki pal ba hasnong Bakmara Bhawanipur Phanda Ronggara bat ki wei kisnong kani ka jingle sabun ki BSF kalong kumshi banta na ki kam jong ki ban kring ki min sim shania bat ban ya trelang bat ki BSF ban twet ki bari ki ba persang ban rungtu bat lakam ki jing khayi be an sha sheliang put Pada kitu ki Khubor na payo bakun tarhadu bangin daya syambiang Khublai Shibun.